Ring sizing can seem difficult, but there are simple things you can do at home to get a better idea. First, cut a thin ribbon at about 6 inches long. Paper or string works too, just avoid using a stretchy material. Wrap the ribbon around the base of the finger you're measuring and mark the place where the ends meet. It should feel snug, but not uncomfortably so. Make sure you can pull it over your knuckle as well. Next, measure the length with a ruler in millimeters and compare this number to our ring sizing chart. At Vrai, our essentials are offered in half sizes, whereas our engagement rings are offered in quarter sizes. We recommend always sizing up just to be safe. This method uses our simple and reliable ring sizer to quickly determine the correct size. Like a belt for your finger, secure the end through the buckle to form a ring shape. When it feels snug, look to the little black arrow to determine the ring size. Order one on its own, or receive a ring sizer in our home try-on experience for engagement rings. Until next time,